Okay, let's just make this a little bit larger. All right. So I have a list of ID here. Okay, inside the Google Sheet. So you can see all this is Google Sheet. Okay, and I want to make it into a row. Well, of course, there's a quick way. So I'm just going to use this one over here. I'm going to use the function ToRow. And you can see the ToRow actually transform an array into a single row. All right. So I'm just going to select all this, close. Right, you can see it's close, and hit enter. So everything here is now in one single row. So that will save me a lot of time from retyping everything.